Hi, this is Sleekr Digital and welcome to tutorial of mix and match products for WooCommerce. Let's be real. Nobody likes being told exactly what has to go in their box. Forcing a preset bundle on a customer is like giving a cat a bath. Technically possible, but everyone leaves the situation a little frustrated. I'm Jeff, and if you want to boost your average order value while giving your customers the ultimate choose-your-own-adventure experience, you're in the right place. We're diving into the Mix and Match Products extension for WooCommerce. This isn't just a bundle. It's a powerful tool that lets your shoppers build their own custom assortments, from wine cases to build your own skincare routines, all while you keep total control over pricing and inventory. In this 4-part masterclass, we're going from zero to mix and match hero. Here's the roadmap. Lesson 1. We'll build your first container. I'll show you how to handle pricing, whether it's a flat fee or per item, and how to set those all-important container limits. Yes, you can finally stop people from trying to squeeze 13 donuts into a 12-pack. Lesson 2. We'll fill the box. I'll show you how to add products individually or, my personal favorite, link entire categories for dynamic updates. Lesson 3. Aesthetics matter. We're heading into the customizer to toggle between grid and list layouts, making sure your store looks as good on a phone as it does on a 30-inch monitor. Lesson 4. The Rebel Move. I'll teach you how to override global settings for specific products when you need a unique look for that one special item. By the end of this course, you'll have a shop that feels premium, flexible, and most importantly, profitable. No more rigid kits, no more boring boxes. Let's get to work and start mixing it up. See you in Lesson 1.